Woman with Kathy by Design, and I'm here today to reveal my latest Button Farm Club kit. This one's a beauty. Love is always in season, so we're celebrating love and marriage and anniversaries with a really whimsical, classic, romantic wedding album. This would be so perfect for a special anniversary, to make a heritage album for family, or to document your own wedding or give as a wedding gift. This is a very generously sized album at 6 1/4 by 8 1/4 by 3 inches. We've used Authentic Paper's gorgeous timeless collection as our designer papers. I love that the color scheme is classic black, cream, and a little bit of taupe, so that it will go with any wedding color scheme, which is just perfect. And it also makes it fantastic for those heritage wedding photos. You'll receive in the kit the 12 by 12 Timeless Collection Kit, which is 16 double-sided designer papers plus the 12 by 12 cardstock element sheet. You'll also receive a package of Little Birdie Rooney flowers, the 49 and Market album. You will receive 2 yards of double-faced white satin ribbon, the chipboard Mr. and Mrs. Sentiment strip, this gorgeous brass key, and I'm trying to think if there's anything else. It's such a loaded kit. Oh yeah, 4 sheets of Spectrum Blackjack cardstock and 4 sheets of Spectrum Antique Lace cardstock that are color matched perfectly to the collection. So I've designed this to tell the story of a wedding from the proposal all the way through to the honeymoon and even the first anniversary. So right away in the front, we have interactive elements like this sweet little folio for a picture of the proposal and room to journal. You can also tuck more photos in here. And then the design of this album has all these flaps that I've turned into really fun interactive elements. Here we have the ring, selecting the ring. And you could also do the wedding dress in here. Lots of room, and then room in the pocket for more photos. This would also be a fantastic place to tuck in your invitation, your wedding invitation. And just look how gorgeous these classic images are. I just love them. Then we have a really wonderful double waterfall page with a really fun buckle belly band. And there's room in each of these for 11 photos that are large. These are, I want to say they're 5.5 by 5. So you can put nice large photos in here. And then beneath the waterfall, there's a little pocket on each side so that you can put additional memorabilia in there. And then the little buckle just slides over the belly band to close it. And it's the same on the other side for the groom. And look at this tuxedo paper. Is that not the cutest thing you've ever seen? Then here we have, this is a double tip-in page, and I created these really fun folded corner tabs, and this flips out and you've got room for all these photos of the wedding party. And you can do your journaling in white gel pen to put the names in there, and then you've got a really fun flap here on the front. This next page is side pockets with pull-out folios with little belly bands. Lots of room for photos and journaling here. On the blackjack paper, I put a white panel on the inside to help you journal. And of course, in addition to the folios, you can add in more photos in the pockets. Then this is one of my favorite pages. I folded the pages to create this wonderful gatefold opening. Lots and lots and lots of room. Little place here to tuck in a photo of the cake. Here's the toast over here. This is all about the reception, and little photo mounts in the pockets, and then look, sneaky little panels on the back. This would be a really fun spot to put photo booth or wallet size photos, and then all kinds of room here to do your journaling, adding the names of the wedding party, special guests, the minister or the officiant performing the ceremony. And then we go to a wonderful hidden pocket page with large pull-out folios. And look, on each side you have room. These pages, you could put a 6x8 photo here. So great big photos, or you could do 2 smaller photos. But I've specifically left room in the album design for large group photos or portrait style photos. Then we get to this last page, and this is a triple flip. So fun. Again, room for large photos. I've left this unattached so that you can just tuck your photo underneath. Little pull out. This is actually for 5x7 photos, and this will hold a 4x6. And then this is the going away photos. So fun, you know, throwing the rice or sparklers or the arch or whatever you do for your going away, the special going away outfit. And then for the first year anniversary, here's a wonderful place to put pocket pictures or the honeymoon pictures in this pocket. So everything is beautifully designed. You've got this gorgeous antique brass key, ribbon and flowers on the spine. It's a really fun album to put together and not too hard. Yet you'll pick up lots of techniques and design tips that you'll be able to use in your other crafty adventures. You'll be able to place your order at the Button Farm Club, and they'll send you everything you need to make this gorgeous album except for basic supplies like your adhesives, rulers, tools like cutting tools and scissors, dimensional foam, that sort of thing. I'll put the link in the description box below where you can go to order your album, and then you can get started celebrating the love in your life. Thank you so much for joining me, Kathy Clement, Kathy by Design for the Button Farm Club, and now I'm going to go get my craft on. Bye.